quick rundown. Last year, the car was loud. If you don't follow the channel, last year the car was loud. We did get pulled over. I'm not going to dig through there to find it. We got pulled over. We had to take the tents off the car. We had to put mufflers on the car. So that's what we did. Almost a year, we was riding around Fishbowl. Quiet. I gave y'all a cold start at the beginning of the video. But fast forward, 2025, this is a new year. We went ahead, we got the windows re-tinted. We did go 35s. We trying to stay legal. And I know somebody's out there is gonna go, oh, you could get away with 20s. I had 20s when I got pulled over. The tint was just the reason for me to get pulled over. Oh, your tint looked too dark. And since I got out your here right now, your exhaust is too loud, you need to get it fixed. I'm not trying to go through that again. But what we have for you today, take you off this mount. You can get a glimpse back there. What we have for you today, we are gonna go ahead and upgrade the exhaust once more. I'll holler at y'all when we get to the mechanics. Good. Yeah. Say, ooh, baby, I like it raw.
feel that?
Huh? Do I feel it?
Like that.
Yeah.
That slap, man. She got that little slap, that whip up. Yo. That's a little different. That's a little different.
So it is a few, I would say a few days, but it's probably like 2 weeks later, a week and a half later, since I've done the exhaust, the C&L 3-inch exhaust. So far it sounds good, but I have a major exhaust leak from both sides of my headers. I'm not sure if it's coming from the actual flange or the manifolds itself. I did have to kind of like tweak the pipes and torque the pipes over to get them to line up to the C&L. So that's kind of the reason why I guess it taken so long to actually put the video together. I started to edit the video and I was kind of like, I might as well, if it's an exhaust leak, I can't just finish the video with an exhaust leak. I might as well try to figure out something to do to get it done. So I got some soapy water. We're gonna start the car, pop the hood, and spray down the manifolds to find out exactly where that exhaust leak is coming from. I just had a thought. I said, F it, I might as well get y'all cold start too. Like I said, it sounds good. You get down to this side though, you can hear that tick 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 tick. Go ahead and put y'all on my hat. So what I'm hoping, we got no bubbles on the actual header themselves. Nothing on the driver's side. I must say, I'm not sure exactly where it's coming from. Alright, so I sprayed the soapy water on the manifolds. I've also sprayed, I guess, where the connections are. I'm not seeing any kind of bubbles or anything, so I mean, I'm not sure if it's on the bottom. I would have to get the car up in the air and spray from underneath and see if I see anything. But what I can say that I've noticed on my front driver's side coil pack, I noticed a tapping on the inside, or I guess a rough idle. I went and touched the other ones. I'm not really feeling that same feel, so I'm not sure if there's anything faulty in there, whether it's a bad spark plug or a bad coil pack. I'm gonna have to do some more research. Maybe it might be time for new spark plugs, or it might be time for new coil packs. We don't know. I guess until the next video, we'll find out there. I'm gonna leave the exhaust video where it is. I'm gonna go ahead, edit it, and you guys will get it how you get it. Remember to like, comment, and share, and I'll keep everybody posted on what's going on with the car. Thank you for following the channel, and have a great day. Stay positive.
Look, no time to waste. I gotta grind a day. Gotta make mine a day. I got no time to waste. 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 I got no time to waste.